Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We're back in the garage today. We're gonna be doing some moldings on the BMW. Do these moldings today. I'm gonna take these out. See if we can get to the cowl. Definitely change this out, and might see if we can get this out to paint this. See how that pops out. But for now, let's get it going. Alright, so here we got the right side passenger weather stripping. BMW part number there. So as you can see, these are pretty easy to come out. They just kind of pop out. This one's kind of old. Put this to the side. We're going to clean this up. Just get it all nice and clean, prepped, so we can put down our new one. So we're gonna just spray some alcohol and water. Just clean it up. Don't hit it too hard. Just kind of get that stuff off, and then wipe it down. Cleaned up. Get our new weather strip. As you can see, it's not glued down, nothing, so it just kind of slides in here. So we gotta take this off. I'm going to take the side mirror just to get this under there. On the inside here, just remove a little plastic that goes over, and with a 10, did that to me. We're going to take this off to get in here. There we go. So that fell in. So we unscrewed the side mirror. In order to get this all the way in there, we're going to push it down and just get it all the way in. So get it right there. Needed this to get it in. I just don't want to go in. I don't know. Pop this back out. Alright, this little piece right here doesn't want to go in for some reason. So I'm gonna manipulate it. There we go. Now we're in. Molding is in. Now we're gonna put this back on. If I can get my screw from here. That fell in. And it probably fell all the way in. Alright, so now we're gonna replace the weather stripping. First thing we're gonna do is remove the side mirror. It's just basically popping this little plastic off. Alright, just two little tabs here that get popped off. Next we're gonna get 10mm, and it's 2 bolts on the inside here. They just need to come loose. Be careful you don't drop the bolt in the door panel, because then you got to remove the whole door panel to get to it. So just be very careful. Get that out. Just gonna kind of wiggle this off, and we can let it hang right there. Gonna grab our weather strip, just pull it off, toss that to the side. Get some cleaning. This is just water and alcohol. Just kind of give it a light brush, clean up the edge, any dirt or buildup in here. Just really light. And then grab yourself a little rag, same thing. Wipe this down. Clean that while I'm at it. Alright. Once that clean, we're going to get our new one. This is our new weather stripping. You can see there is a little indentation here. That's what goes under the mirror. Right there, this little indentation. So I'm gonna push it all the way up here. We'll line it up on this side, pop it in, and then we can just go straight across, pushing down. Make sure you get it in there. There's a little groove, a channel that it kind of goes right into. Once that's down, we can put our mirror back on. Again, 10mm. Put this back on. Tighten this back up. Alright, nothing like dropping your tools. It's awesome. Never fails. Alright, once that's tight back on, put our plastic piece back in. That's it. Weather stripping is done. So we get do that same thing on the other side, and you can see how it went under right here. You can see it goes under. Let's see if we can get a better look. Right here. Nope, come on. Right there. It goes under this. That's why you have to remove the mirror. But you can see the car is good. Weather stripping's on, nice. So we go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, and you're all set. So that's going to be it for today's video. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next video.